The Great Buckle Up Tight, and I'll do the same. Next up, the Great Shape Race game. The Great Shape Race. Click one of these buttons to choose a level. Easy, medium, hard. The Great Shape Race is about to begin. Can you guess what to do for a chance to win?
I know! We need to run around the track and collect all the shapes we see.
But we can't do it alone. Guide us across the tracks and over the shapes like this. Keep an eye out for surprises along the way.
I'll follow along, catching the shapes on my truck. So at a bridge hole, we won't have to get stuck.
Here we go. Click the go button when you're ready to race.
3, 2, 1.
Race and have fun! Triangle. That's the way. Nicely done. Keep collecting shapes for some hole patching fun. A triangle has 3 sides. Nice shape collecting. Triangle. Square. A rectangle has 4 sides. I think we have plenty of... You filled up the trailer. Your scooping was super. Full speed ahead with your trusty shape scooper. Watch out for that bridge. There's something not right.
You mean the giant hole in the middle?
Quite. Use the shapes you collected to patch that hole tight.
Can you help us fix the bridge? Click a shape patch to pick it up. Click again to place it in the hole. Let's get...
Parallelogram! Nicely done! Keep going! Only 3 shape patches to go. Well patched! Keep going! Only 2 shape patches to go. I don't think we'll need that shape for this hole. Keep trying! Triangle. Perfect fit! The bridge is patched! Now wasn't that fun? Go Nick, go Sally, time to run, run, run! Goodbye hole, hello race! Your patching was perfect! You're back in first place! A triangle has 3 sides. A square has 4 sides that all look the same. Square! Hip, hip, and hooray! That's all that we need. We've filled up our shapes. Look at that bridge! It has a hole, too. Let's fill it with shapes so we can go through. Lucky for us, we have shape patches handy.
Can you help us fix the bridge? Click a shape patch to pick it up. Click again to place it in the hole. Let's get started.
Trapezoid. That's the way to do it. Keep going. Only 3 shape patches to go. Perfect. A rectangle. Which shapes can fill the rest of the hole? Keep going. Only 2 shape patches to go. Perfect fit. You're almost done. Can you find the shape to patch the last one? Square. Well patched. That hole is gone thanks to you and your patching. Now hurry along. There are shapes that need catching. Triangle. That's the way. Nicely done. Keep collecting shapes for some hole patching fun. Square. A triangle has 3 sides. Triangle. Well done! You filled up the trailer with all of the shapes. Terrific! Well done! Do you see what I see? Bridge hole number 3. Get ready for patching. That hole must not be.
Can you help us fix the bridge? Click a shape patch to pick it up. Click again to place it in the hole. Let's get started.
Trapezoid. That's the way to do it. Keep going. Only 3 shape patches to go. Diamond. Perfect. Diamond. Which shapes can fill the rest of the hole? Keep going. Only 2 shape patches to go. Rectangle. Well patched. Hooray! You fixed it! That hole is done! Thanks to you and your patching, this race can be run! Triangle! That's the way! Nicely done! Keep collecting shapes for some hole patching fun! Rectangle! A triangle has 3 sides. Triangle! A triangle has 3 sides. Good job! Check my cart to see what other shapes we need. Well done! That's the last. Take a look at this pile. You caught all the shapes and you did it with style. The last bridge is ahead, with one last hole to fix. Time to get started with our hole patching tricks.
Can you help us fix the bridge? Click a shape patch to pick it up. Click again to place it in the hole. Let's get started.
Parallelogram. Perfect. Parallelogram. Which shapes can fill the rest of the hole? Keep going. Only 3 shape patches to go. Trapezoid. Well patched. The great shape race is over, and look who won. Without your shape patching, it could not have been done. Click play again for another loop around the track. Or click right here, and we'll start our trip back.